Crying in the Rain, I think, will be my next song that comes out. I'm gonna announce a release date for it soon. I will definitely let you guys know, but yeah. How does crying? I can tell you've been crying. Should I try singing Crying in the Rain to this beat? I can tell you've been lying, I can say it. Let's see if it works. I can tell you've been crying. Tell when you're lying, I can see it in your face. It's too slow, but it goes, it's a little hard to sing, man. I never meant to leave you crying in the rain, but I tried. Said forever, now forever feels so far away. I never meant to leave you crying in the rain, but I tried. Said forever, now forever feels so far away. I tried. I had my own demons I was fighting, so I pushed you away. So I pushed you away. Just know I never meant to leave you crying in the rain. You in the rain. So like, I can tell you've been crying. I can tell when you're lying, I can see it on your face. I can tell what you hiding, yeah. And I can tell you've been lying on a thing, girl. And I can tell you don't mean it. Phone call, I can tell you don't mean it. So don't say don't mean it. No. I never meant to leave you crying in the rain, but I tried. I never meant to leave you crying in the rain, but I tried. Said forever, now forever feels so far away, but I tried. I had my own demons I was fighting, so I pushed you. So I pushed you away. Just know I never meant to leave you crying in the rain. I leave you in the rain. I can tell you've been crying. I can tell when you're lying, I can see it on your face. I can tell you're lying. Don't really think that we have what it takes. All you ever needed was a meaning to the words that I said. Yeah. But you didn't believe me when I told you that I loved you to death. I never meant to leave you crying in the rain, but I tried. Said forever, now forever feels so far away. I tried. I had my own demons I was fighting, so I pushed you away. So I pushed you away. Just know I never meant to leave.